Welcome to Real Terms for AI on the road. We're here with you and we're going to ask you some questions about agents.
Exciting.
So let's start. What's an agent?
I feel like agents is someone who can do things for you.
Okay.
I mean, that's simple.
Yeah, it's simple.
Break
but-
down the software components.
Yeah, can you explain it like you
Okay.
explain it to a nerd?
So think of it this way, right? When you go and buy McDonald's,
Yeah.
you don't tell the staff how to cook the patties, how to put the things together,
Yeah.
whether you want the patty or not, right? So you can do some customization, but pretty much everything is done in a way that they want. That's good for you, right?
Yeah.
In terms of representation, the taste, and things like that. So that's how I feel the agent is all about. You
Yeah.
interact with it, and then it kind of like give you the best option. You decide whether you want to buy or eat or throw it away.
I like that a lot, actually. I think that's super relatable. So here's a question for you. What's the one thing when you're first building an agent that you're like, oh, now it makes sense?
So I feel like when everything's come together, right? So maybe you are doing some process for like a long time, and
Yeah.
then you start to integrate some piece of AI to it, and then it start to feel like, oh, it's amazing because now I can automate it, and then I can finish things faster, things like that.
Another question for you.
Yeah.
So what's like the thing in the agents right now that you're thinking about and playing with the most?
So I'm trying to build multi-agents, like when the
Okay.
agents are talking to each other, doing their own biddings, In the past, we might have, coordinating with different process, task flow and things like that. Now it's agents doing the things, yeah.
Speaking of agents, what are your thoughts on vibe coding?
So I just did vibe coding last night. I have some issues that I'm trying to resolve. I mean, I have to go through like 50 files to kind of like figure out where the bug is. I just like upload the entire things to Gemini and say, hey, I'm struggling to solve this. What do you think is the point in it, right? So I just like take a look at what the response are and then go through line by line and say, okay, that's what it is. And then I can try to see like, how I can solve it.
I think there's going to be a theme to On the Road with vibe coding.
Yeah, exactly.
Gamer of vibe coding, although all of y'all seem to be vibe coding with a lot of human oversight.
Yes.
Thanks, dude. Always a pleasure.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
Let's get lunch soon.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for having you.
Cool.
Thank you.